given that lines A and B are parallel, if the measure of angle 3 is 49 degrees, what is the measure of angle 8? All right, so let's go ahead and label what we know. We know that 3 is 49 degrees, and that's this angle right here. And we're trying to find angle 8, which is this angle right there. So before we even start this, I want you guys to ask yourselves, do those two angles look congruent? And the answer is no. This red one is an acute angle, and the yellow one, or angle 8, looks like it's an obtuse angle. So please don't just assume that every angle is going to be congruent. Only our special pairs of angles are congruent. So we know corresponding are congruent, alternate interior, alternate exterior, vertical. We know some angle relationships that are congruent. But when you see these problems, you really need to think about whether they're the same or they're not the same. These are not the same, so we're not going to set them equal. What we're going to do is they have to be supplementary. And the reason why, well, there's a lot of different ways you could figure it out. But the way I'm going to do it is I'm going to say, okay, I know angle 3 corresponds to angle 7. So I know angle 7 is also 49 degrees. And then I can say, okay, well, angle 7 and angle 8, those form a linear pair. And a linear pair has to be supplementary. They have to add up to 180. So I'm just going to take 180 and subtract 49 to figure out my answer. So this angle would be 131 degrees.